Facebook post. So we will go back to our homepage. And we can just type in Facebook post at the top. So they have a ton of different options, even just for Facebook. They have ads, event covers. There's the post there, shops cover, all kinds. So here are some templates that they're just kind of recommending. As you can see, there's a lot of seasonal ones here, but again, you can go by style. So let's do simple. And we'll do business maybe. And you can go through and you can see all of these options that they've created. If there's not something there that you necessarily like, you can create a blank one, which is what we'll do. So the first thing we need to do is add a background. We can either use one of their backgrounds. So once they load, you can see all different kinds here. There's like a sparkly one, more neutral one. And then you can also just do a color. So let's choose one of our brand colors here for our background. And then we're going to add some text. See how my branding text is up here at the top, so it's super easy to access. So we'll add our heading. We'll say, thank you. So there's our title. If we want to increase the size, we can go like this, but you can also make it smaller through that little arrow at the top. You can also change the width if you want it to have multiple lines. You can do it that way. And then we'll just drag it up to the top, and we want to align it in the middle and at the top, and you can see how it comes up on those lines. There's the exact middle of the page. There's the middle and the top. Now, if we change the size, you'll have to realign it. We can also change the color of it. We can put white, and we will add an image. We'll add our webinar series image. And so this is how we'll do the mock-up. I'll show you how to do that. So we'll go to edit image. So you can do like the brightness. It's hard to show on a graphic, but if it's a photo of a product, it'll be much easier to see. You can do filters. So here are the smart mock-ups. I think they're quite cool. They just kind of bring a different element to things. So if you have a business where like you sell things like mugs or t-shirts, this is a really great option if you don't want to personally like have people model them. You can throw your design right on the product here, just kind of as an image for people. So you can also do smartphones. So it looks like your advertisement's right in somebody's phone. And you can do the same with laptops. So we'll do the laptop one. You just click on it. And it does take a little bit to load. And you can see there's our image right on there. We can make it a little bit smaller. We'll align that right in the middle. And then let's add our logo to the bottom. Make it nice and small. And it looks good, but it does look a little bit plain. So we can go to elements and we'll do, let's just do swoosh. And we'll see. So now they have all these different options that we can add in. So we can add like a little This just adds a little bit of texture if you want to do that. There's also like an underline there that you can add under your text. And you can also change the color of these here, as you can see. So add dots maybe. Yes. So there's view. If we want to add those to our background, white. And if you want to add multiple of this exact same size, we're just going to click on it, copy, paste, and we can line it up right where that one is. Do you see those 3 lines that come up? That's to show you that they are like perfectly aligned there. And you can add them all over your background if you like, just to add a little bit more to it, or just the top, completely up to you. But I think it's always nice to add a few little things as you go along. And you can move everything on the screen there.